Today in this video let us talk about Samsung Galaxy S10. Right, Samsung Galaxy S10 is not yet launched, but there is lot of hype is going on Samsung Galaxy S10. So in this video let us talk about Samsung Galaxy S10 predictions. So Samsung Galaxy S10, we already seen iPhone 10 anniversary. So Samsung Galaxy S10 is coming in the next year, that means in 2019. There are a lot of rumors are going on Samsung Galaxy S10. So in this video let us talk about the rumors. So the first one, design and display. We have already know Samsung S series have different display and HDR display. And according to the CEO, he said in the interview that Samsung Galaxy S10 might have a different design. So we can expect a great infinite design on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and also we can expect a full bezel-less display. The next, let us talk about the camera. So Samsung Galaxy S10 is rumored to be triple camera setup. Why not? We have already seen triple camera setup on Huawei P20 Pro and the upcoming Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. So Samsung is rumored to bring triple camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy S10. So here are the leaked images of Samsung Galaxy S10. These are the prototype. So we can see 3 rear cameras on the back. So Samsung might bring triple camera setup to the Samsung Galaxy S10. And the next, let us talk about the under-display fingerprint sensor. Yes, under-display fingerprint sensor is very famous in 2017 and 2018, but Samsung never had used it. So recently, according to rumors, Samsung might bring under-display fingerprint sensor to the Samsung Galaxy S10, not the Synoptics fingerprint sensor. So Samsung is rumored to bring Qualcomm fingerprint sensor to the Samsung Galaxy S10 series. Yes, they are using the Qualcomm under-display fingerprint sensor instead of Synoptics. Samsung Galaxy S10 might come with under-display fingerprint sensor. Yes, it's very good to see. And also, Samsung might bring 3D facial recognition like the Apple iPhone 10. Yes, there is also a strong rumor that Samsung is working on the 3D facial recognition. Yes, there might be a 3D facial recognition on the Samsung Galaxy S10 series. Yes, it's very great to see that Samsung finally bringing under-display fingerprint sensor and the 3D facial recognition. And the next, let us talk about the battery in the Samsung Galaxy S10. You already know that Samsung Galaxy Note 10 had come with 4000 mAh battery. Yeah, that means very huge battery. I think Samsung Galaxy S9 would also come with 4000 mAh battery according to the leaks. So we have already seen the rumor about the Samsung Galaxy S10. So according to the rumor, Samsung Galaxy S10 might support 4000 mAh battery. Yes. So Samsung is bringing a great changes to the Samsung Galaxy S10 series. And these are the common things we can expect in Samsung Galaxy S10. Snapdragon 855 and it may launch in MWC 2019. So this is the overall video about the Samsung S10 predictions. So hope you like this video.